What's up, y'all? What's up? What's up? Ninjas. Alright, yeah, that's what I meant to say, was ninjas. Anyways, so I'm sticking with my diet. I did pretty good on day one. Day one is usually the hardest, you know, because there's so many temptations. Huh, babe?
Yeah.
How many temptations are there?
A lot.
Nope, there's only 5 of them. Temptations you get it. No, just kidding. Anyways, so I didn't run. I didn't get up at 5 in the morning and run, but it's okay because plan B is run at night. You know, if you can't do it in the morning, you do it at night. As long as you do it, that's all that matters. But I still gotta weigh myself. I still got to weigh myself. It's so dark in here. All you can see is my teeth. Alright, there we go. And let there be light. And there was light. So, we're gonna go running either at the local clubhouse gym, or I'm gonna go head up just running on the street if that doesn't work. So I'll keep you guys updated. Peace!